to another video. The market had a pretty rough day on Friday, which was yesterday. I might upload this video tomorrow or tonight or tomorrow night. But yeah, market fell. Actually, it only fell like 0.75%. But I guess individual stocks just felt like they got hit much harder. QQQ fell 0.8%. The Dow, yeah, they all fell about 0.8%. Guess we'll go on the daily to look a little bit more at the individual candles for this week. So before no, I'm not gonna forget it. Someone wants me to look at Tesla, so we'll look at that as well. I did sell Apple. I think at like 148. I think it was. You know, we had 130 to 148. That's about a 13% gain. It's about $26. No, $16 a share. So it was a pretty decent trade. I just wanted to lock in the profit and get a nice win. So it could go higher, but I'm not gonna be greedy. I just wanted to get a win, So Bitcoin is actually really getting to this level of support. It's probably gonna hold. I don't know if it'll hold forever, but I think for at least a week it should hold, Try to get a weekly candle. Let's see what the weekly look like. Yeah. It's not looking pretty strong though, but hopefully we'll find some buyers around here. Crude. There. So gold and silver had a pretty bad day too. Even though they were trekking higher at this $1,800 price, kind of just fell a lot. Which again, if we're having this like inflationary news, I think gold should do kind of well. But yeah, silver took a pretty big hit. COMEX silver ends the week 1.66 lower at 25,777. So I guess they weren't anticipating a lot of deliveries or something. No matter what, they deliver lower in 2Q. I don't know. And MAG fell 8.5%. Yeah, Friday took a huge hit to my position. But it's okay, we were selling out of it all around here. I still have a decent size though. So, lost a good amount, but it's whatever. CCJ, I'm now in the negatives. I was positive 25%, now we're down about 1% or 2%. And everything basically got hit. I'm still on the Krispy Kreme. I was like, why not? I don't know, just throw some money at it. Okay, hell yeah, everything else kinda got hit. Oil. Exxon fell out of this channel. I am expecting it to fall back, like when you look at this chart, it can't just keep going like straight up, I mean, it was consolidating a little bit, but usually if you get this kind of pattern too, this wedge, it usually does fall anyway. But I mean, not all the time, but most of the time. Sorry, it's gonna move a little cord. Let's see. AG fell very hard too. AG is actually getting into a decent zone. If it comes down on this trend line, that might be spicy to buy. It probably should hold. I mean, not an expert, but that's my guess. ASO finally hit this trend line we've been watching for like 2-3 months. I didn't get to buy because I was busy on Friday, but for a short-term trade, it's almost tempting. But again, look at that volume. That was super. So that's pretty much confirming the move. I don't really want to take on any new positions right now. I almost want to try to sell more stuff, but all the stuff that I have, I don't want to get rid of. Oh yeah, they had some more like Corona, like scary news too. So things like Clorox and like Moderna, I think were up pretty high. It's mRNA, I think, yeah, mRNA. Yeah, it was up 10% on Friday. Guess I'll just put that back in the list. EMX still eyeing it up at about 270. Let's see. Yeah, JDX took a hit. JP Morgan, I think we talked about that too. NEM did fall. Wow, that actually fell a pretty big amount for NEM. I do want to start watching gold, just because I did some analysis on it, and it kind of seems like a better stock than NEM. Dividend right now is a 4% too, which is like unheard of. Oracle, I'm gonna take Oracle off. SM Energy is falling. Smith and Wesson's gonna continue to fall. So let's do Tesla really quick. We did analyze Tesla a good amount in the past. I think these two candles are like broken. I don't know what happened here, but it's not what it should be. I mean, we do have a support at about 545. I feel like that's a really random number. Regardless, that's a support. We also have a support at about $500. I think 550 would be a better support area. It's probably 550. It just so happens that you're at 545. Again, it's kind of like it can't get above the previous high. So here we fall. You know, whatever we get some high, fall. Here we get a high, but it's not as high as this. Definitely not as high as this. So it's still looking weak. It still looks like it needs to form some sort of base. I mean, I guess it did kind of break out of this like channel. You even see a little bit of a spike in volume, but I don't think it doesn't look like it's enough to carry it over. A lot of red, but it's not, again, not high volume. And we also have earnings coming up to the 26th, in a week or two. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I wouldn't like. It definitely isn't like no man's land right now. Sure, there's some support areas around here. Probably 625 if we get some psychological level. Maybe 630. But to me, this chart doesn't look like anything right now. Yeah. This was actually kind of surprising though. Over here, we had this, big up move after another up move. And then, oh, it's starting to thunder outside. Cool. Then it breaks out, but then it just fades. I remember back here we traded this. I literally bought the 2 days before we had a big up move. I think I sold half here, so it was like a 25% trade. But I mean, if I just held on, I could have made a lot more. But hey, I don't know. Don't want to be greedy. Uranium, again, we've been kind of predicting this. Gonna probably fall at about 18, probably $19. Hopefully it stays there. But if CCJ does get this $13, I think I would just add some more. But I'm not, at this price, I'm not like super enthusiastic. Just because I don't want to put too much risk on in the portfolio. But that's my 2 cents about that. Space continues to fall. CCL falling a lot. Yeah, a lot of stuff fell. Stitch Fix, Nvidia fell. Wow, Nvidia's actually falling a lot. Down about 12%. I mean, it already had some massive up move too. They also are gonna have a 4-to-1 split, so their stock price will be about like 175 maybe. DD, UAA, Smith and Wesson, CGC. Literally everything fell like about 3%. Did anything actually do good? HDI, Clorox, Kimberly Clark. Man, I was eyeing it up around here, but I was like, I don't know what to buy yet, but it would have had a little bit of a play. I think the last time I traded this was either this day or this time. I don't know. Zoom to Willie. I was so wrong with Zoom over here. I thought Zoom was gonna go right back and form a base and go up. But man, I was wrong. Good thing I didn't take that trade. Actually, Activision. No, I'm not really seeing anything. Oh, Well Tower. Wow, this went up a lot. This is like some REIT for like old people, like their housing or something like that. Or medical. Square. See, SO. Southern Company. Oh, I think Pepsi really took off. I'm kind of dumb for selling my shares, but I did have a little bit of a gain. I had ARM into the watch list because I think the stock's pretty solid. They have a decent dividend too, but nothing really. Everything just goes up, so it's like I don't even know what to buy if everything just keeps going up. Miners. Yeah, so I think if MAG, for a mining company, EMX, MAG, like these are probably gonna fall very hard if we get some news. Yeah, I don't think anything. I think MAG's definitely gonna retest this all-time high back here at 18 bucks about. I don't know if I'm tempted to share or increase my shares because right now my price is $17.98. But yeah, I don't know if it goes back to like 14. That's ideal. Even this really low down here is super enticing, but that's a very long way. And I really don't want to lose that kind of money that I have in this right now. But anyway, I need to wrap this video up. I'll probably have some more videos coming out. It's starting to really thunder and it's pretty loud. I have to keep stopping the video. It's always nice to sleep in the rain though. Some of my favorite. Very relaxing. But anyway, take care everybody. Just a short video. I have some more